Assalamualaikum. Welcome to the next class where ideas turn to impact. My name is Basar Fatima Qazi, student of LKGA. This is my project Solar Wind Energy. Solar and wind energy are renewable energies used to make electricity. These solar wind fans, these solar panels, they were combinedly used to make electricity. Solar panel work in day and wind fans work day and night. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and welcome to lectures. My name is Taya Shadafi and this is my science model. Automatic mobile shooter model. This is it all. The best amount. It is fun to work to make you happy and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Alina Saddam Hussain Sheikh. I study in UKGB. My model name is traffic signal. This is a traffic signal. Traffic signal has three colors. Red means stop, yellow means wait, green means go. Traffic signal helps us to cross the road safely. We must follow traffic rules. Red light, red light. What do you say? I say stop, stop right away. Yellow light, yellow light. What do you say? I say wait, wait right away. Green light, green light. What do you say? I say go, go. Good morning everyone. My name is Ali Nisha Sheikh. I study in LKGA. My model name is Faisal Study Order. I don't thank you. welcome to next is where I just turn into impact. I am Arhan Javisek from UKGB. My project name is Thomas Alva Edison invention of electric bulb. Thomas Alva Edison invention the electric bulb in 1879. The world changes like bike light art. It is one of greatest invention of in the world. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mahirira Muhammad Haji. My study in UKGA. My project name is Smart City. I smartly and modernity. I smartly uses computer and machine to work better. In a smart city, road and light are well managed. Smart city save water and electricity. People feel safe and happy in a smart city. Thank you. Morning and welcome to Nexus. I can, India can, together we can create an aim. I am Alisha Nisarse from grade first. My project name is Life Cycle of Butterfly. Story The Little Butterfly's Journey. Once upon a time there was a little egg on a green leaf. The egg was very small and cold. One day the egg opened and out came a caterpillar. The caterpillar was hungry. It ate many green leaves and grew big and strong. After some days the caterpillar made a soft room called a pupa. Inside the pupa it took a rest and changed. Slowly after a few days something beautiful happened. A colorful butterfly came out. It opened its wings and flew happily in the sky. The little egg became a lovely butterfly. This is lovely butterfly. This is the life cycle of a butterfly. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zainab Mudassir Sheikh. I am studying in 4D. Come on, let's learn about the golden age of Islam. फातिमा अल तहरी, या जैसे डिग्री हासिल करने के पीछे आज जो तुम दीवाने बने फिरते हो ना, तो तुम्हें मालूम है ये फातिमा अल तहरी की देर है. बट स्टिल तुम में से 99% लोगों ने आज तक उनका नाम नहीं सुना होगा. फातिमा अल तहरी एक ऐसी हस्ती जिन्होंने अपने हालात बदलने से पहले कौम के हालात बदलने का सोचा यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ अल-क़रवीन, जिन्हें इन्होंने 859 AB में मोरक्को के शहर फेज में बनवाया था। फातिमा अल-फ़हरी 19वीं सेंचुरी की एक मुस्लिम औरत है जो कायरोवान, आज के इंडोनेशिया में पैदा हुई थी और फिर बाद में अपनी फैमिली के साथ फेज माइग्रेट कर गई। उनके वालिद एक ईमानदार इंसान थे। उनके शौहर और उनके वालिद की डेथ के बाद उन्हें बहुत बड़ी दौलत विरासत में मिली, लेकिन इन्होंने इसे खुद पर खर्च न कर एक ऐसे पर खर्च किया जिससे हमारी कम्युनिटी को फायदा हो। उन्होंने उनकी इस दौलत से इस्तेमाल जमीन खरीदने और एक बड़ी मस्जिद और एजुकेशनल कॉम्प्लेक्स के कंस्ट्रक्शन में किया। आज इसे यूनेस्को और गिनेस वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड भी दुनिया की सबसे पुरानी और कंटिन्यूअस ऑपरेटिंग और पहली डिग्री अवार्डिंग यूनिवर्सिटी मानते हैं। वैसे तो इसकी शुरुआत एक मस्जिद और मदरसे के तौर पर हुई, लेकिन ये हायर एजुकेशन के लिए भी एक प्रीमियर सेंटर बन गया, जहाँ इस्लामिक लॉ के साथ साथ एस्ट्रोनॉमी, मैथमेटिक्स, मेडिसिन और ग्रामर भी पढ़ाया जाता है। इससे यूरोप भी इन्फ्लुएंस हुआ। चलो सोचो, हमने दुनिया को क्या नहीं दिया, इसके बावजूद भी आज हम इतने पीछे क्यों है? क्योंकि जो कौम कभी कंट्रीब्यूटर हुआ करती थी, जो सिर्फ कंज्यूमर बन के रह गई। अल्लाह ताला कुरान के सूरह 13 वर्स 11 में फरमाता है, इंडीड अल्लाह विल नॉट चेंज द कंडीशन ऑफ अ पर्सन until they change what is in themselves। मैं बस इतना ही कहना चाहती हूँ कि उनका यकीन था कि इनमें सिर्फ मर्दों का ही हक नहीं बल्कि औरतों का भी हक है। उन्होंने अपनी जिंदगी में सीखा अगर नियत साफ हो और मेहनत हो तो एक औरत भी दुनिया में बड़ा बदलाव ला सकती है। उन्होंने मस्जिद के तामीर के दौरान रोजा रखा और अल्लाह ताला से दुआ मांगी, क्योंकि वो चाहती थी कि ये काम सिर्फ दुनिया के लिए नहीं बल्कि आखिरत के लिए भी हो। अपनी जिंदगी में अपना वक्त और अपने सलाहियतों को अच्छे काम और एजुकेशन के लिए यूज करो। अगर एक औरत अपने इरादों से एक यूनिवर्सिटी बना सकती है तो तुम भी अपने सपनों को जरूर पूरा कर सकते हो। अगर एक बार फिर से अपने हालातों को बदलना चाहते हो तो रियल एजुकेशन की तरफ लौटो, क्योंकि विदाउट एजुकेशन ये इम्पॉसिबल है। जज़ाकल्लाहु खैर। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and welcome to Nexus where ideas turn into impact. I am Momin and I am from grade 3 and I am excited to present my model from science category. The title of my project is Eco-Friendly Home and it explores how science can solve the real world challenge. Let me explain how this model works. A solar power house is a house that uses energy from the sun to make electricity. Solar energy is a natural and renewable source of energy which means it never finishes. Solar panel are fixed on the roof of the house. This panel collects sunlight and changes it into electricity. This electricity is used to run TV, fan, light and other machines in our house. Using solar product and environment, it also saves electricity and reduces electricity bill. Using solar energy is very good for our future because it's safe, clean and free from smoke. Thank you. And welcome to Nexus, where ideas turn into impact. This is how I can contribute to make India progressive and a better nation. I am Tahura from grade 4C and I am excited to present a model from Golden Age of Islam. The title of my project is Al-Khwarizmi, the father of algebra, and it explores how science can solve real world challenges. Let me explain how this model can work. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أنتم العلوم إن كنتم مؤمنين. And the reality of Iman live in the hearts of people. Muslims were the leaders, imams of every field and every profession in the world. Then such leadership and authority in their fields that even today every modern discovery remains indebted to their inventions. Today's world still relies on the foundations they built. Into double digits and double digits into triple digits, that is 1 to 9, and this is the miracle that the smallest non-zero digit is 1 and the biggest digit is 9, and this is together forms that the number 19. You will surprised to know that the number 19 is a prime number and occurred in Quran in Surah Mudaththir. Lawwahat lil-bashar alayha tis'ata ashar, that about 19 angels in Quran. Total surah is 114, which is multiple of 19. And there are many interesting things about 19, but here we are not enough time to describe you. But we see how many times word Allah and word Rabb occurred in Quran. Bismillahir Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All the numbers of sentence, all are the multiple of 19. By the way, I come back to my topic. Because of him, reading and writing numbers became easy for us today. For example, if these numbers had not been invented, we would have to read and write the year 2024 in Roman numerals as MMXXIV. But today, we can easily write and speak it as 204 2024 2024. Along with this, he is known as the father of algebra. He solved the unknown values in equations. He is present a famous research paper entitled was Algebra wal Muqabla. It's through that ideology we received algebra. We can understand algebra through two simple examples. First example is 2y is equals to 20, 2y plus 20 is equals to 40. This is the example of balancing the equation. And here we can also find the value of x and y. And the second example is the completing the square. Here we can also find the value, that is the length of any rectangle or square, that is x, y and z. And by many ways.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Good morning, everyone. Today, we are excited to present Chandrayaan 3, India's historic mission to the moon. On 23rd August 2023, India made history by successfully landing near Moon's South Pole. It was actually launched on 14 July 2023. This was very important because no country has till now landed in this region before. Scientists believe that this area may have water ice. The mission had two robots, the Vikram lander and the Pragyan rover. Vikram landed safely at a place now called Shiv Shakti Point. The Pragyan explored the moon and sent useful images back to Earth. It detected oxygen, calcium, chromium, iron, etc. on the moon's surface. Chandrayaan 3 also proved that India can do big space mission in a very cost-effective way. Also, the Chandrayaan 3, the mission by ISRO, only cost $75 million, which is a very least cost. As usually, we can see on the board, till now only 4 countries has landed on the moon's surface, and India is the 4th. But on the South Pole, we are the 1st. Chandrayaan 3 is a symbol of India's bright future in space. Thank you. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good afternoon. Category. The title of my project is Surah An-Nahl, the honeybee, and it explores how science can solve real-world challenges. In the Quran, Allah draws our attention to a remarkable creation, the honeybee, and says, "A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. وأوحى ربك إلى النحل أن اتخذي من الجبال بيوتا ومن الشجر ومما يعرشون ثم كلي من كل الثمرات فاسلكي سبل ربك ذللا يخرج من بطونها شراب مختلف ألوانه فيه شفاء للناس إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يتفكرون. Translation: And your Lord inspired the bee to make its homes in the mountains, in the trees, and in what people build. Then it feeds on all kinds of fruits and follows the path made smooth by its Lord. From their bellies comes a drink of varying colors, in which there is healing for people. Indeed, in this is a sign for those who reflect. This ayah beautifully connects scientific reflection with deep scientific things. Honey formation process. Bees collect nectar from flowers. Invertase enzyme converts sucrose into glucose and fructose. Water contained reduces inside the hive. Nectar finally becomes honey. Small is the bee, yet wise its way. From flower to flower it heals each day. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zaki Zafar Almil. I study in 4th A. This model showcases 9 miracles in Surah Naba. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Wal jibali wal awtada. He refers to mountain aspects that are used to stabilize in the earth much larger part below. In 19th century, human discovered that is a mountain. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says this is a mountain, not is a lava. Mount Everest was 8 km in height but 200 km in deeper. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward light is a half century. Jazakallahu khair.